Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. And today I'm going to show you how you can pin any post on your Facebook. So without any delay, let's start our video. So as you all know, pin post mean that if you pin a post on your Facebook, it will show on top of your profile. So first of all, select those three lines on top of your right screen, select that, and now select your profile and it will take you to your profile. Now search the post that you want to pin, and I'm going to pin this post. To pin this post, just select those three dots, select that, and you can see on top of my screen is called pin post. Just click that pin post, and now as you can see, this post is pinned on top of my profile. Again, you can also unpin this post easily. Just do the same, click those three dots, and you can see the unpin option. Just tap it and my post has been unpinned, and in this way you can pin and unpin any post that you want to like. So that is it for today's video. I hope this video helps you, and if this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one.